The world today runs on screens. From students to the people working in the office, everyone is living a sedentary lifestyle. It means most people today are doing little to no physical activities, hence burning no additional calories other than their BMR, basal metabolic rate. In the modern-day scenario, where we are always on the go, it becomes challenging to cut down the calories. This article will help you figure out the easiest ways to cut down on 1,000s of calories with ease. Here are the easiest ways to reduce calories for you to collect. 1. Do not drink your calories. Eating a bowl of fruits or vegetables keeps us satiated for a longer time. It is because fruits and veggies contain fiber. If you prefer to have a fruit smoothie or a bowl of soup, it means you are drinking your calories. Consuming calories in the form of liquids not only adds up to your calorie intake but also increases your appetite, and you might end up overeating. Avoid drinking your calories to see a visible change in your fitness level. 2. Use smaller plates. A survey says, on average, we eat 44% larger meals than what people had in the 80s. To make meals smaller, you need to serve yourself on smaller plates. For example, serving the main course on a dessert plate or a bowl is prudent to cut down on excesses in a buffet. Surprisingly, you won't overeat. This tip is practical, simple and very beneficial. 3. Eat slowly. It takes approximately 20 minutes for the brain to register and send signals that you are full. People who eat faster tend to overeat. The people who eat slowly give ample time to the brain to understand and send out signals of being full, and they would end up eating less. 4. Serve a quarter of what you can eat. We are used to serving ourselves by filling our plates, but we need to be mindful of the serving size. Eating smaller portions is what we require. 5. Add protein to every meal. Diet lacking in protein might make you crave more snacks in no time. Also, it leads to overeating. Therefore, it is vital to include protein in every meal, especially the main meals, i.e., breakfast, lunch and dinner. 6. Learn to read food labels. If you go for convenience food or packaged food items due to the unavailability of cooked or fresh food, learn to read and understand the ingredients. For example, avoid the foods that contain sugar or its alternatives, or vegetable oil or salt as its first 3 to 4 ingredients. 7. Maintain a food diary. To cut down on unnecessary calories, keep track of them. It makes you accountable for what you eat and you are mindful and responsible for what you eat to stop binging out of boredom and stress. 8. Take half food home when eating out. We tend to eat more when we eat out. It is because the restaurants have a standard serving size that might be larger than what you eat. Therefore, people who eat out very much have a higher chance of overeating. However, study shows that people who maintain their weight either share their food or order half of the portion or eat half of the food and take the other half home. 9. Limit toppings and dressings. A salad is a go-to choice to lose weight. But those extra toppings might add extra calories. A colorful salad is what many people prefer because vegetables keep us satiated for a longer time. Instead of adding several toppings, add one of your favorite toppings as a dressing to your salad and cut it down by half. 10. Opt for good fats. Fats are as necessary as proteins and carbs. Eating fewer fats would help you in your journey to cut down on extra calories, unlike the other two. Choose nuts of your choice over chocolate, as they are high in minerals. They will also help reduce sugar cravings. 11. Cheat or cheat meal. If you generally eat out and have cheat meals, you got to cheat your cheat meals. Eat nutritionally dense food or a smaller portion of a meal before going out to eat, and you may not be hungry enough to eat a lot and cut down on hundreds of calories. 12. Get enough sleep. Apart from the balanced nutrition, you need to get yourself enough rest to cut down on hundreds of calories. Lack of sleep makes you crave sugary and fatty foods. People getting enough sleep are more satiated and mindful of what they eat and in what quantities. Fix a sleep schedule to see the differences in your food choices. It will lead you to have lesser chances.
Please click on the link below the video to watch the full content. If you are interested,